welcome to the 24 days of Xmas with Katie. So basically over the next 24 days I'm going to be like your little YouTube advent calendar, opening up every day with a different hack to help you out towards Christmas. Now for some of you, Christmas hasn't started yet, and that's fair enough. This is as festive as I have got in our house at the moment, so yes, not overly festive at the moment, but that is because my day one hack is to make sure that you do a really nice clean of your house before you put all the decks up. Okay? Now this may sound like, yeah, okay Katie, yeah, we get it, we understand, but at the end of the day, you're not going to be moving the tree. You're not going to be moving all those beautiful things down the banisters, or your windows are covered in lights. They're not going to move for the duration of Christmas. So if you get a nice deep cleaning before the decks go up, then you know you're starting on an immaculate slate. And that's what we've been working on today. We've literally been down to our local Morrison's, we've hired a rug doctor, and I have cleaned every single carpet in the house today. Everyone's a bit soggy at the moment, but I know that by tomorrow it is going to be gleaming. So then I've started from there, and we'll just build up this week, ready for hopefully, fingers crossed, Saturday will be the deck day. So that is my hack for day one of 24 days of Xmas with Katie. See you soon.